Having this AR part of Chisholm is really good, especially if you're just starting to learn how to weld. It's safer, obviously, there's no heat.
It was mainly the welding that drew me to engineering. I started looking into doing Cert 2 engineering studies at Chisholm, and it was more a practical kind of route. And fabrication's like super cool, and I love metal, so I thought that would be a lot better for me, especially getting into the field a little bit, and also that it was scored so it can go along with my VCE, which is really helpful.
I feel like, I'll continue with this course so that I can pick up an apprenticeship with this. Because engineering is an open industry, it goes off into a lot of different job opportunities. You can come and join, learn new skills, and it's good to have these skills in the future. You can pick up jobs or apprenticeships in this field. It'll help you a lot.